welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my current everyday go-to makeup look. So this is just the look that I wear pretty much every day. At least when I'm filming, this is always the look that I have on. So I thought I would show you guys this makeup look from start to finish. I feel like I've shown kind of bits and pieces in different videos, but not like start to finish. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video. All the products I use and how I do my makeup from beginning to end. I also ended up showing a mini lash tutorial, how I cut my lashes to fit my eye, how I apply them. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find this helpful. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I've been posting 3 times a week. Fashion content, vlog content, beauty content, a little bit of everything. So definitely make sure you have my notifications on so you can know when I post. Definitely follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more beauty content. Definitely comment below your favorite makeup products. I'm always looking for new beauty products to try and skincare products. So definitely comment your favorites below. Also, I am filming this at my desk because I filmed this once before already, and I filmed it in my bathroom where I actually get ready. The lighting was so not good. So I'm filming this again in natural lighting. I think that's everything I wanted to say. So let's just go ahead and get into the makeup look. So currently I'm filming this, like I said, at my desk. And I don't actually have a mirror where I'm filming this. I don't have a tabletop kind of mirrors, I guess. So I'm just gonna have to use like compact mirrors to do my makeup today, as well as the viewfinder. In a way, this is also kind of a no mirror makeup challenge. So I usually start off with my brows. So I like to brush them up. All my brow hairs are going in the same direction. And then I like to use this Anastasia Brow Duo in Soft Brown. And it's just like a powder. As you can see, I need a new one. I like this better than the pencils or the pomades or anything else. It just works best for me. As you can see, my eyebrows are actually pretty light compared to my hair color, and they're somewhat sparse. It's just a good way to fill them in and make them a little bit darker and kind of like reshape them slightly. And I just use this little angled brush. I believe this is from Morphe. Oh, this is actually from Anastasia. Just draw a line starting from here to the tail of my brow. I just draw a line on the bottom, and then I just kind of fill them in an upward motion. And I totally forgot, I know I have like one brow half done. I like to do some skincare before I apply any of my face makeup, so I usually do this now, like at the beginning. So I like to do the Glossier Super Glow Serum. This just gives my face a nice glow. I usually do this at night and in the mornings. Sometimes I'll do this right when I wake up. Sometimes I'll do it right before my makeup. But it's got vitamin C in it, so it just gives my face kind of like a nice fresh glow. I also like to apply this Glossier Priming Moisturizer. This one's more like a gel rather than like a lotion, and it's just like a really lightweight moisturizer. It makes my skin nice and moisturized and kind of preps the skin for makeup. And I also like to apply some of this. This is just the Jack Black Lip Therapy like lip balm, and this is the Shea Butter one. I like to apply this. My lips get really dry because I do apply liquid lipstick, so I like to just apply that to my lips so they're nice and moisturized. So now that I've done some skincare and just kind of prep my skin, I'm going to do my brows. So those are my brows done. As you can see, they just look a lot fuller and they actually match my hair color. They might look a little bold right now because I don't have any other makeup on. So now I'm gonna move on to face makeup. I'm gonna start with foundation. I'm gonna use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is my favorite foundation. It covers everything I want it to cover and evens out my skin tone, but it also is fairly lightweight, so my skin still looks like skin and it's still somewhat lightweight. So I absolutely love this. It is kind of expensive, but I always get it during the Sephora sales event, so it's not as bad. I'm just gonna use this on this fluffy brush from Morphe. I'll have all the brushes and products that I use in this video linked down below in the description. So I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. I just use a couple pumps of this foundation, and I just kind of put some here, 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 and here, and here, and then I just kind of buff it out. It's fairly natural, but it's just a nice even base. So now I'm gonna go in with my NARS Creamy Concealer. It's just a nice kind of lightweight concealer. I'm gonna go under my eyes, right here, and maybe a little on my forehead as well. I'm just using this kind of fluffy angled brush to blend that out. That just kind of brightened up my under eyes. And now I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. I love this for setting my face. It just kind of helps my makeup last throughout the day. I also really like the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder if you're looking for a more affordable option. That one is really good too. I'm just gonna use this flat kind of setting brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna use that to set underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use this fluffy Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna use that to just set the rest of my face. And I kind of like tap the product in place rather than drag it, so it doesn't like drag the foundation off my face, if that makes sense. And next up, I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer. This is my absolute favorite bronzer of all bronzers. It is the best. I'm gonna use this. As you can see, I've also pretty much hit pan on this. These are all my everyday products, but I've been using the Hoola bronzer for like years, like actual years. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush from Morphe. Just going to bronze up my face because as you can see, I just look kind of pale, just like not much dimension in my face. So I'm just gonna use this bronzer to kind of bronze up my face and just add some life back to my face. Bronze up kind of my cheeks and my forehead, my nose. So now that I'm looking nice and bronzy, I'm gonna go in with some blush, and I'm gonna use my Tarte Risque blush. This is just like a nice nude pink. I'm just going to use an angled kind of brush and apply that to the apples of my cheeks. And I also like to apply just a little bit on my nose. And now I'm gonna go in with some highlights. I like to use the Laura Mercier highlight in the color Indiscretion. It's just like a nice kind of gold kind of highlight. I'm gonna apply this to the tip of my nose, kind of like down the bridge of my nose, and then also to the top of my cheekbones and on my Cupid's bow. So that is my face and all the face products done. So now I'm gonna go back to the brows. I'm going to brush them up once again, all just kind of upward. I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Boy Brow in Clear. I love the Boy Brow product because it really just adds some texture to my brows and sets them in place. And go back with my spoolie and brush them up once again. Just make sure all the hairs are going in an upward direction. They might look kind of crazy like that, but that's okay. I'm just gonna leave them like that for a second, and I'm going to brush them horizontally. Most of the hairs will be kind of like sticking upward. Just kind of adds a nice textured kind of boy brow look. Now moving on to the eyes, I've actually been using these e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes. They're $3. I showed them in this video back in the fall, and I've been using them ever since. They are so great. Like, you would literally not think they're $3. I just love how they look, and they're so pigmented. I kind of switch it up a little bit, but most days I use this color and this color. This is just a great transitional shade, and then I use this to just kind of darken it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna do that. That is what those two eyeshadow shades look like. And this is the Bite Size palette in the color Pumpkin Pie. And then I'll go in with this color right here. This is just kind of like a shimmery kind of golden color. Sometimes I'll put this on my base and then use this color on my inner corner. It's just nice and bright and shimmery. Some days I will just take this MAC eyeshadow in the color Oh So Glitzy. I'll just put this in my inner corner and not mess with like doing different shades. So I think I'm just gonna do this for this video because in the fall makeup look I showed the other two colors that I said I used from this one. I already showed that makeup look in that video as like a fall makeup look. I think I'll just show you guys the MAC eyeshadow because I kind of switch it up. I just take this small little pencil brush, spray it with some Fix Plus. The Fix Plus just makes it look so much more pigmented because you're applying it wet. I'm just gonna put this on the inner corner. I feel like that just brightens up my eyes so much. And then I'm also just going to put some on the base as well. And like a flat brush would work better for putting it on the base, but I just already have this brush. The product is already on this brush, so I just put a little bit on the base. Works totally fine, but a flat brush would technically work better. Now that the eyeshadow is done, I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. I'm just using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm really just coating the lash because I like to wear fake eyelashes, so I know that is like a lot for every day, but I just really like them. I don't need to make my mascara perfect because you're really not gonna see it. This makeup really only does take me like 10 minutes. Hurried through it enough times that I can do this makeup pretty quick. This makeup in like 10 minutes, and then the lashes only take me an extra few minutes. I like wearing a full face of makeup, especially when I'm filming. It makes me feel more confident. I honestly love doing my makeup. Like, it's something I really enjoy doing. Anyways, I really like it, and I love having full lashes. I just put fake eyelashes on. I love them, and again, they make me feel more confident. I do wear fake eyelashes a lot of days. And then when I filmed this the first time, I had a new set of fake eyelashes, and I showed you how I like cut them and everything. So I think I'm gonna show you a clip of that. I'm actually gonna put a fresh pair of lashes on today, and I'll show you guys like how I cut them and everything. So you really can get a lash extension look for way cheaper with these. They're the Queen Bee lashes from Coco Lashes, and I got them off the Lady Moss website. I just kind of, I don't like to just take them and rip them off like this because it kind of messes up the shape and the curl of them. So I just kind of like to take them off like this. Like, as you can see, this lash right here is obviously way too long for my eye. You can tell, like, this is the inner corner, the lashes are much shorter here, so I want to cut it from the outer corner of the eye, the bigger part. So we still want to keep the inner corner there. And I just kind of hold it up to my eye. I can see like right about here is like where I need to cut them. So yeah, that's just how I cut the lashes and everything. So these ones fit my eye perfectly. I've worn these the last couple days. I always make sure when I take them off at night that I like pick off the eyelash glue. If you leave the eyelash glue and then you try to pick it off the next day, sometimes it'll peel off the lash band with it. Basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take some Duo Lash Glue. I just apply a little bit of this glue on to my Fix Plus bottle. It might sound weird, but if I were to just take this bottle and apply it to the lash band, I would get so much extra glue and it would just get all over the lashes. Just kind of run the lash along the side of the bottle. Get a nice kind of like thin coat. I don't want to apply it onto my eye immediately though, because the glue is wet, so it's just gonna slide around and not stick. So I just leave it for like 30 seconds or a minute to just kind of get tacky, and then it'll just stick on my eye really well. Basically, you set the eyelash on your eye and then you kind of just position it in the right spot. You just kind of pinch it along the lash band. And so that's one lash done. It basically took me like 20 seconds. I kind of go like this to make sure there's not any like empty spaces to where it's not like glued down to my lid. This is what it looks like with the lashes. I just feel like it really transforms the look and kind of like takes it to the next level. And I just love how the lashes look. I just love lashes. I will link them below if you guys like them as well, but obviously don't wear lashes if you don't like them, but I do. The last part of the makeup look is lips. So I like to go in with this Laura Mercier lip liner in Hazelnut Tea. I actually really need to sharpen it. I just like to, sorry, I can't talk while I do it. But I like to go in with that and just kind of like outline my lips. I feel like it just creates a little bit more dimension, adds that little something, I don't know. And then I like to go in with my Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Virgin. It's just like a nice kind of nude pink color. I like to just dab that with a Kleenex. I feel like liquid lipstick, there will be just like extra product and it can just look really chalky and thick, and I don't like the look of that, so I just like to dab it with a Kleenex and then the liquid lipstick will look more natural. That is the finished look. Oh, wait, is this zoomed in? I feel like somehow this was zoomed in and then now it's not. Interesting. Anyways, that is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you'd like to see more makeup looks on my channel. Comment below some of your favorite makeup products. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. I've been posting 3 times a week, fashion content, beauty content, definitely lifestyle and vlog content. So now you know my current makeup routine from start to finish. So I really hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.